I don't really have very much time on this camera left, but I said I would do a vlog. And so that's what I'm doing now. It's not pointed at me because I'm really bad at getting my own face on camera. So I wouldn't even be on camera anyway. So, this is where I am. Piazza Venezia. I have absolutely no idea what that is over there. That big staircase and everything. I don't know what it is, but I don't really want to climb it right now. I'm sure it just leads up to a place that I can't really get to anyway, so it doesn't matter. But no, I'm in this cute little park with these cute little trees. I wonder how that's going to turn out on the computer. And I'm just getting ready to go to dinner to have, hopefully, stuffed zucchini blossoms from Al Pompiere, which is in this direction. I don't know if I'll find it or not, but I believe in myself and I think I will. So anyway, this is just a little gander at what's going on now that I actually know where I am, which I've known where I was all day, but last night was not so fortunate. Anyway, so there you go. You get a nice little gander at where I am and what I'm doing, and check out my blog to find out what I did for the rest of the entire day because it was very eventful and very successful. So thanks for watching.